that was my first time nimita the Michael Sky event earlier. Misalwa, he was one of the coolest guys ka music wa onu ka artist amatsonga. Asitiwa kuna mutlha swo boha yi nga chayi yin'wana.
But that busy man.
Ay tamlamle.
Tamlamle.
That busy man.
Finger cha. Shout out to
Mpanyas.
Yeah.
I go me wrong.
Very wrong.
Me wrong. Album ya man. Why
shout out Mpanyas ka?
Ngari kunyo album.
Guys ingapaleli vanhu handle.
Ay pale ka mura.
No, ngapaleli Mpanyas handle.
No, Mpanyas ayipalele handle.
Mpanyas.
No, look, I need just so I will the producer ne.
Ina story mara ila go shulwa ngwe na stay ho.
No man, my story ya kwanshi.
Misti.
I samze di.
Wa DJ ne.
Me anla grumeteri wa mina. Tiva le ngatela.
Tela zona.
Hey, le ishangani gang la ihlela hinkwaswo leswi rhumelisaka Gaza vumene vunanga naswona hi tlangela ku humelela lokukulu na lokuntsongo hikuva hinkwerhu hi le ku tlakuseni ka ririmi na ndhavuko wa Xitsonga. Leyi i Shangani gang, shangi.
Happy New Year, madoda.
Happy New Year.
Every year. Yeah.
Elega EVUNANGENI episode number 4.
Number 4, yeah.
Episode number 4. The way last year, madoda.
Hey, tivuye ngopfu.
Akutika.
Hey, aku bohanini.
And I could say at the very same time. Kunyanganye ngahle last year.
Too much.
Kunyanganye music in last year. Kunyanganye gig last year. Kuri kunyanganye kuri kutsaksini.
Aku umena yena ngayeki tigigi.
Hey, chini ngo.
Come here now, yoga J-John.
Arna J-John. Hey, chini ngo.
Tani, Mr. David is one of our ndagwini. A regular visitor, ne?
Yeah.
Ka podcast ya him. I can say he is our podcast friend.
Yeah, say le guy.
Yeah, say le guy.
Mr. David.
Hey.
Kuba rina n'wena namuntlha futhi. A cancer. A swi tiva ku namuntlha swo boha yi nga chayi yin'wana.
But that busy man.
Ay tamlamle.
Tamlamle.
That busy man.
Binga cha. But bafowethu. Lembe ra 2025 ne?
Yeah.
I can say it was a great year for all the artists Gagas. Loko nichekile.
Most
of them.
Boko bangwana akungari great because aba kaba record batak.
Yeah, but then I think December the way IMC shona ne. Most of the artists Gagas. At the grand must be side the bookings and nothing ngoma. But then before ingenela the magada last year, lembelera ay resungula nkahle.
Yeah.
I resungula nkahle because we've lost one of our biggest hip hop artists. Let me say trap artist.
Yeah.
Xitsonga trap artist.
Xitsonga trap, yes.
The Michaels. Maybe meaning asungula the way ntiva ku the Michaels ikon. And then ntaku I will still say Nisa marete yokuchavelela ka family ya ka the Michaels.
Yeah.
I am tsakisa. I am tsakisa. The way family itwa ukona ku baba, I just wish Xikwembu xi nga va pfuna ku amukela, though it's not easy ku amukela. I'm one of the people who anga lose vanhu lava nga very important avutomini. And I'm telling you even today as it is ku swi amukela, but then I just wish Xikwembu xi nga va endla ku ri va swi amukela. Mina the Michaels for sure maybe I will go on ka event ya Sign for just that I can't remember all. Ya 2022.
I akunali angari kona.
Yeah, ya 2022 loko va na bu reason.
No.
If not 2020,
Reason,
2022. Reason, okay. Sizwe Alakai.
Alakai.
Yes. Before I was Sizwe Alakai.
Yeah, nung tebari.
Yes. Ka event liya for sure go because I remember unbugili Sign for. Na ifanta xin'wana va ri mona mafumu xa le Phalauru. I tlanga back to back mina na yena. I knew the Michaels before niya ka event liyane. ingoma yale adumi yona ya Maganzelo. That was my first time nimita the Michael Sky event earlier. Misalwa, he was one of the coolest guys ka music wa artist Amatsonga. He was one of the coolest guys because after meeting him ka event ya Saimf, hlangana ka the event akuhlayanyana. Batsamba ngibukana le ka Antidote wayitwa Antidote. Yes. Indawo ingwani yakwala kai. That guy was he was very cool, and loko ihlangana mkarhi yo tala he will say, hey, nhlangena the legend anvitana legend
yeah.
Because of what he knows about my music career and my DJing career. Na manu ngitanisa isweswe lo nhlangana yena. Was one of the coolest guys. So guys, I can say na mini vasekile kuya hiku. He was one of us, got the artist Lamatsonga. So I actually like Sao.
Yeah, DJ D Michaels. Mena, I think nung boneka with that guy, but I couldn't go below it. Shot gig. I think I got TPP. I think TPP la Pasta 929.
Kamberi area.
Hey, I can't remember the
somewhere around 2023.
Yeah, somewhere there. Yeah. Mara, I think it was from a distance. But there's some Maganzelo and kuna the Michaels. And then you can tell from his music, imunlo anga cool because nalo kushimbela ashinga jai. I'm going to put us one as one. And render some areas in then. Samira rakalanya ma 2021
Maganzelo ne?
Yeah, 2022
2021.
Yeah,
but re pushile swinene, more especially ka mngana lo nene.
Yeah, re swinene. So loko ntatwa hi the passing of Tim Michaels. Lexi xi nga ni khumba ngopfu timhaka ta ku sweswiwani loko ngo langutane a swi tiva hi kwini se normal loko ku na kusuka ka genre tin'wana vanhu va teka xikasi. Is one guy a nga salale a selele ka trap or hip hop.
Yeah.
Mara ntsami ni bona snippet nyana xin'wana xa xikazanyana.
Yeah, I heard one snippet. I don't know if that song.
I think you humile ngoma liya. I think you humile ngoma liya.
So, mina, my story is quite deep, ne? I spoke to him on, I think, Tuesday. Tuesday, I'm not sure. Lono chekala nga school. I was like, because I was tagging him, kamagalia ya B-Fire corner. And knowing him is someone who replies fast, got a comment. So I tagged him I think two posts. Then I nunglanda ka WhatsApp. Leadership anumboni miracle reacting. And it was like mun abadzanyana. So loko munhu aku anavadzanyana you think kuri na evulavula hi swilo leswi swi nga hundza. And then I just found it kuri it's sensitive ku ni nga posta because more especially sweswi kuma ku na yo Facebook ya hakela. It seems like you're trying to gain from it when you share your last moments with someone. Nago, it was for the fact that it was not okay. I felt like, okay, I shouldn't be the one to post this. We already say marketing. So I spoke to him. It was like, no man, munanga reshapu. After that, he shared my post. The last post he posted this is the Michael's page. It was me. It was the last post he posted on that site. And I don't the page dimber. It was me. And then all of a sudden, I also wrote another post, Van Vibonin anyways, where I was criticizing him. Hours before, no, a day before the news break, Corey. He's no longer with us. A and then someone who loves me and for I don't think that post is okay because I just received this news that man and that post might not look good because mastok van varanda kuteka swilo more like that beef. Whenever one va something about Ntimbana, I was like, no man, you have to be smarter than that. So, but anyways, logo staka experience yamin nae. Nung tibe that time vele tera na was free full time. And then more especially van lava va kuvar ku popin. They va estalo kumakuvar na the superstar vibe. And which is okay. I'm not fully against it, but sometimes it's not okay. Number text or as a total stranger nung text, but it was so welcoming, and he remembered Guri. Event there, sign free, and then from then we always communicated. So that I just think it's best in sharing but hey,
no, you spoke about something, ne, Shagu, loko uposta silu, or maybe the last conversation, le ungava na yona, namunu lo agunza kumsabe. You know, I always see it ka social media, ne. Marelelo maena maambe, or when win to mourn a person, it's different. Singe fan. Okay. Ongentseketsele ka social media ontseketselela gore I posted my last conversation. Why would you do that? Because maybe either way I saw it with the Michaels. A lot of people posted their last conversations na the Michaels.
And they were so recent.
Every Gaza even genela. Why am I taking family and want to this? Of which
so mina I have two nipfumelelana swona ngapfumelelana swona at some point. Nipfumelelana na swona after some time. Nago, how sensitive was the conversation? He shared a joke with you. You can share that. Kuna yofana ya mina where he was telling me I was sick.
Yes.
And in Karwalo, people are looking for answers. Now
what happened?
I posted that conversation because it was a voice note. It was not just a screenshot. It was a voice note. Now people would want answers from me. Say it's real. And so talana menene asutwa loko se va hlamse va vika nkosi kundleke 1 2 3. It's answers that I did not have. Naku there are people that are famous. And once you are famous, you don't belong to your family alone.
You belong to all of us.
You belong to all of us, and we are all going to mourn in different ways. Mara kuna lesiyas, kuna the cloud chasers. Kuna lava vagu. What's trending today? It's someone who never cared about a person. Never so posta ngasuveka site because nge postiva nkwavu lava ingana maka navo. But you find Guri, it's a matter yago what's popping today. So not the social media if I push this will make me few cents. So it's kavan vangwanyan loku posta vanhu vangwanyana it's cringe. Even the sensitive matters. Logo posta conversation, a clean conversation, it's fine. Logo posta we had a call, it's fine. Mara when he tells you something that deep, because voice note it was very detailed. Nikombe someone langa very close. Are very close na the Michaels. Okay, conversation yive so. But and the Logan Loisheraka social media, I would have had a lot of views and I would have made $2 and but what, for what? So when it comes to more special the celebrity telekaya ne la hinga kusuhi ngopfu na family phela vele America ile kule nabo na bangwana kwala South Africa ile kule nabo anything we can post anything after their death their family won't be affected mara ka the Michaels hila inaila so vas diva kun'wana wa ka mana nga posta loko ku conspiracy very
conspiracy
conspiracy aku in'wana wa ka mana nga vula leswi I mana ngite yini so swi fika la swi fika swi nga sound kahle hi ku ya mara hi mavonelo ma mina at the end of the day ku vanhu van'wana a va fane va nga post ku fana na hina mkosi yin'wanyana like loko ku na group ta contribute ongena i contribute I miyela emhaka ku ani na proof ya relationship I'm nkarhi wun'wana mi kuma ku ayikona
to me for vanhu valavo fana na valavo ne okay just like George hi tolovelanini a vulavula ka WhatsApp belana ti-jokes and all that but if it's something serious I cannot go to WhatsApp and choose that serious conversation
and drop it.
Yeah, you go for something lishi shinga memory. One is a memory conversation or a video or a picture or something. You post something like that. And if people post something like that, I don't think ungaza utseketeleliwa sweswo man like why vanhu va fanele va kutseketelela sweswo because it's something lexi xi nga memory ka munhu yaloye na we because that vanhu va ku u lata hi kombisa ku ri a va ri vanghana yes we were friends
I mean
what's wrong with that
I probably ni lahlekeriwini munghana
so that is why many vona hi maside mambirhi ya ku some people should really post and mourn in ndlela leyi va lava ku mona yo and then some people should just va vutisa ku kuna WhatsApp group loko ku ri kona va nghena va contribute loko ku ri ka kona va vona ku family va
reach njani
because ku cloud chaser it's something leswi I think it's some guys vona na ti fight ti va ku ti ri ko ku vanhu van'wanyana you're not really rooted into this kind of thing you're just in it because it's making noise and loko ri swa tinyimpi we forgive you it's so who mara loko ri nkosi it's I so who there's a mother who lost a child there's a sibling who lost a brother a father that lost a son and there are many of us who lost a friend so I think ni mina ni vona ndlela yaleyo
so mina loko ku ta ku mele swilo leswane lexi xi nga ntela timhaka ta ku a ku ri na that trending beef ya the pop artists or trap artists ngona la ne a ku ri the rebirth of trap
yes
or hip hop la hi discovery na vanhu lava a hi nga va tivi I was surprised ne ku ri Fresh Cortez xi endle album ne ivi ni rhandza track 3 leya makwavo
yes
ni rhandza hi mhaka verse leyi nga kona laha and a nga ri Flash a ku ri verse ya Nebo I didn't know the guy man mara nrandi I didn't even ani nga ri na mhaka na swo ku na chaka ku ri i mani a nga yimbelela verse leya mara ni tirhi I love this guy la yimbelelaka verse leyiwa mara ni zanga ni ya cheka music wa yena until ku va na that trend that beef ivi xi ba ngoma layo ni nge tsali huku ntselela huku mavona and I was like this guy and then kuna the Michaels kuna Fresh Cortez Mtimbani vonsuku I was like kuna aka music wa Xitsonga ne lawa ni nga ku halekanyana la and vanhu va tsutsumini mara at least wa vuya wa revive eka beef leya and tell the truth ne kuna vanhu van'wana vo xigaza a va xi twisisi like a ni ngo i munhu u twisela hip hop mara ya n'wi kalela because a yi kona mara sa yi ri ku vuyene and ni filanga ku se ku ta sala ku ri na gap for the passing of the guy because loko se va yisala vanhu phela it's not like i beef i culture ya hip hop so kwala for men ndam magoro ba ku kuna Nebo 64 featuring Mtimbani ngoma ya kahle nga ri ku ri beef mabo so it was going to be nice kuna ngoma ya D-Michaels kumbexana ngoma ya vayisala vanhu hinkwavo lava va hlengela ngoma ba a good song but no hi leyi lahlekeriwini and hey moya wa demon wa tlele ku rola dasala kha hi tlanga leswi a nga hi siya na swona.
Mina I will be honest ne every person love to win we unique
Too much.
ku hava ku u fana na mani or u hanya ku fana na mani wena va ta ku teka lava ku hayi leyi i photocopy ya George i photocopy ya Mr David a swi kona. That guy was unique in ndlela ya yena. His pen game unique.
Mina ni
Wa twisisa.
n'wi tive xingoma xin'wana khale i n'wansati lo i n'wansati wena yeah ni n'wi tive hi xingoma
lexi.
and then ta ku cata wena ni ta rhumela na va malume that's the song that made me interested and then a tirha na vo Sang Free and then from then yeah but yeah the gap leyi nga kona
Gap yi kona.
Yeah,
Gap yi kona and
i cool and ko topic ya Xitsonga ya hip hop ile
yeah yi kona.
kulenyana I'll come back to
Anyway.
what I wanted to say now.
Anyway, I will say from Shangan Gang, rest in peace in full.
Yes man.
Music wawe ukona everywhere, still play it, still remember you. And na family, chabelele kan from Shangan Gang.
Peace.
One thing mina na yena a hi holovela ngopfu xo a ni n'wi se why i humesa ti-album eku ti-album a ti trend ku trenda single
Singing.
humesa and now that things happen this way what ni vuya ni swi hleketa hey you might think you still have time and if at a pace ya ti-single swi vula ku there's a body of work that he would have not released loko swi ta ka nkarhi lowu
What kata va humesi ti-track ta 5.
a ta
a ku ri
humese
five.
5 a ku i ringeta ku trend
Love trend.
and then to me it came as a lesson ya ku loko ku ri na lexi lavaka ku xi endla xi endli hi mhaka ya ku nkarhi lowu i nga na wona a wu tivi and vanhu va nga criticize ku fana na me a ni ri ku criticizeni ka ku why a humesa ti-album
album.
mara ku ta fika nkarhi lowu na me ni nga ta ni nga ha ri kona mara music luwa wu ta sala wa ha ri kona and if a yingisele mina swi vula ku there's a body of work that would have not been released mara sweswi ku na music wo tala so ka mina it came as a lesson ya ku if you want to do something just do it those songs in your PC loko wo tshuka i wa va ka n'we vo teka va yi xavisa PC liya cause maybe they don't know how much art you've left in that PC if you want to do anything just do it the criticizer we are here to do that anyway the criticizer
Right.
hi vulavula mara wena i ta endle leswi swi ku tsakisaka because art it's not only a matter of profit I think yi sekela ngopfu ka ku profita loko hi vulavula hi branding and stuff but sometimes it's about putting out the message because the Michaels a swi kota ku message wu kha wu nga rhyme
Mara rhyme yes.
mara a tshika verse yi ri sweswi ya ku message wa yena wu nga onhaka na swi vona ku na yi se na yi lehisa hi mhaka
Yeah, are na message. But anyway, guys, yeah. Rest in peace to the Michael.
rest in peace to Michaels.
I want us to go back last year.
Yeah.
Hey.
Now I tell you last year, ne? Or mono between November and December. Between November and December, like kungaba ku mid album to figure out 20 in 2 weeks.
Hey.
In 2 weeks time.
Ampere na mena humesini la.
Mina nata hemp. Anla ku humesa. And ka tingoma leta na tatu humesa. Anla ku chela na xigas. Mara loko ndi vo ti welana ne.
Ku yer.
Anla ku la ihlekisi ka gas. So evi na album ya DJ Mumba ne. Evi na album ya Dr. Joe Shiriman. Evi na album ya Gap. ivi na album ya Moose mfalo
Wakuhemus.
ivi na album ya Bliss Boy
Yes.
ivi na album ya Flash Cortez na ya G1 ya J John ya G-Man na tin'wana kambe ya
Kuna Black Myth na yumi.
kuna ya Black Myth ya vari mani ya
Mina mara yo malet mana I think ingwe wela ka swona na Metro
kambe ya
Messi.
Rumi before
Na Metro na warutsa ba Messi way before yeah.
yes
A Ben 10 Ways
Benton Wiz. Akara album.
EP.
Schindler EP ne? Schindler EP.
Love Letter.
Benton. Yeah, Schindler EP. Love Letter. Yeah, Schindler EP.
Yethu.
Schindler EP. Barman. Benton Wiz. Yeah.
so
I learned the touching song you were like mom or something.
I think mlavula tracking out my single.
Yeah, it's singing.
Unless lo kuna ingwanya.
No. I think
I haven't given that EP
yeah,
much
I'm
time
saying
yet.
that's why I'm surprised to kuwina
ku
so ati vuya muzi
Kore December mata ka njane. Kahle mina December ni kumeshi ngwana shaku. Uma ngama tatala ne. Mara hingisela ngopfu leri fika ku ri yiva ngopfu and then because ingweti yo tsaka komi ngopfu karhi wa ku ni tshama hansi ni ku nga tlanga bamba so because yeah cause ku busy na ku langutisela album swa tika album yo yingisela timhaka ta ku u tiva ku na leyi kwa yingisela ku na leyi kwa yingisela mara ku landza album hinkwayo swa tika
and xin'wana you are right xin'wana ni nga xi vona ni hi nkarhi wa December ku ri na loko u lava ku maybe u lava ku downloada tinghoma a wu landi album u landa ti-track letiya u swi tiva ku
ta hina
at that moment ti le ku trendeni.
ti le mulongweni.
So ku ri u fika u teka for example ni ta vulavula hi maybe ya J John u ta fika u teka
One Night Stand.
u huma ka album
Huma ka album ya J John. Ya ka un'wana
u fika u
u teka
teka
Manavana
wa ntwisisa
umoya kun'wana.
leti u swi tivaka ku loko December ya wehe yi kha yi ku nandzihela hi ndlela
Ta va kha yi chela
A to
tingoma
ti-track
tele.
I'm le ku ni kombeni na ku a mi nga ri na nkarhi ku mhana vana ele kwini i single album.
Single ya. Lo yi chela ka EP. A ku ri single.
mara u yi cheli ka album
Ivi yi chela ka.
Loko huma EP leyi nga ve yi pick up hi liya ya Malume Julu.
Ya malume Juluka mara ikona mara ikona Manavana ka that EP.
ka that EP
Ku fana na okay Manavana yo mina mloro.
leswi a
Yo mina mloro.
trenda mloro before ku huma Manavana.
Yeah, that was before the EP.
Yeah, and then loko a endla EP iti fakitire 2. Ti kona ka EP fakitire 2.
album ya DJ Mumba
Yeah.
mi vona njhani
Okay, album ya DJ Mumba. From my perspective, it's a good project.
yes
Nina problem ya ku vanhu va vulavula hi ku he want to test his power and see ku ri how much he can do alone.
yes
Mara, I don't think there's anyone ka Gaza who denies the talent.
Ngana Mumba.
Ngana DJ Mumba yethu.
An tshama twa munhu a ku Mumba a nga swi koti ku
Anga na
yimbelela.
talent.
So we all know that the guy is talented. If we have to go commercial. You have to make music. I'm looking at music low way. There must be 1, 2. To nyanyula tongwatla. Kuri.
It's na nkoka sweswo. This is na nkoka.
Kuri ita kota ku trend. Cause
sorry Mr David la ku hlamula George ka music ne ka music if there's one thing that you need to know ka music the only people va kota ku promote music
Tinkwasha.
la ku pushela music
I tinkwasha.
ve mi ta famba mi tisa hi vanhu laha no ba joke vanhu va xisati
Vanhu va xisati.
vavasati
Kuna vavasati kuna tinkwasha.
kuna vavasati kuna tin'wana
Tinkwasha ti promota ngopfu.
exactly
hayi se mi ta endla vanhu va xisati lava promotaka ngopfu music va nga feel
No, a hi tinkwasha.
mara anyways vanhu va xisati music wu famba so ne endla ngoma leyi nga ta tsakisa vavasati
Yeah.
leyi vavasati va nga ta endla content
yes
ivi hina eva ngala ngoma ya wena
I love
eva khethe nangitela
vavasati lava va koendla
se kuma ku la ka vavasati la va ka va tlanga tingoma ta
ta
wena
wena
so loko we i ba ngoma ya vusiwana
yeah
i vulavula hi loko se hi va commercial
yeah
ane a separate a suka ka va
vunkwati.
artistic i vulavula hi ku va commercial
yeah
I grab in the track leyi swi tiva ku vanhu va xisati they will use it for content so yelana na mjolo ku tshikiwa byala na yini
wa mi languta
ivi then i humesa vanhu va xisati va ta teka vandla
content
loko hi kha hi scrolla hina hi va hi yima hi ku vona ku saseka hi va hi nga yimi hi ku twa
Ku twa ngoma.
mara hi ku va xingoma lexi hi xi twa ko tala
ta nghena
xa nghena loko mo swi check loko wo tshama a ndhawu yo karhi va tlanga xingoma xin'wanyana u kuma ku xa maskanda wu xi tivi ende xa ku borha xi tlanga siku hinkwaro ivi nghena movheni famba u ta tikumi khi yimbelela xingoma lexiya so loko i ndla xingoma lexi hi nga ta tshama hi kha hi xi twa ka TikTok
yeah
xi poste hi vavasati na tinghwadla hi ta tshama hi kha hi xi vona hi ta tshama hi kha hi xi yingisela next thing loko ni ya ka YouTube ni ya yingisela the same
the same yeah
song so album ya Mumba it was good it's good in fact it's a good project he showed up mara vuya kwala ka ku I don't think it had commercial success when it comes to
like this, maybe nga stupid ayivangena a hit song
yeah
it's a good project
yes you're right
Yeah,
that project is perfect
ya yingiseleka
ya inselect
mara aicinisi
yes ayivangena
na risimu leri ri nga va ka high rotation everywhere
ta va stand out ka the way aswiyimise hi swona hi December
na
Because
kwa
mina
kotika hi
loko-
December hi
Because
Tsemba
mina loko
kwanini?
ni yingiserile, the track leyi ni yi rhandzaka ngopfu ka that album hi liya ya vinyi va tavern
nyima tavern
yeah it's a bonus track
mina to be honest album ya Mumba a ni nyikangi ngopfu kahle mina the last time Mumba shin bela ne i album liya before kuna album yin'wana mani nga na ngoma xin'wana ya swikotela wala xikotela nyana man kuna ngoma yin'wana
leyi nga na Sandland
Sasa-
bodlela ri ku pelengeni
a nga na Sandlene I think even right maketa ku biya swa fana van'wana bo yinwa hi xikotela van'wana va nyela bodleleni mi cheka album yin'wana
marungani ay
a n'wamarungani yin'wana let me check
album liya
kuna album ya Mumbai leyo sungula leyi nga haba liya there yi nga na I think leyi nga na n'wamarungani famba rungano then kuna album yin'wana after le
before or after
le kuna album yin'wana nga
komba ndlela
eish
kuna makomba ndlela yi ri singile
ante ku album xana EP na ante loko mani nyika karhi ni lava na
okay mara continue on with your
mara what I'm saying is okay mina ni vule swin'wana tshame ni interview ya Senampaka ni vule mara tuma mo loko mina ni ku ni bela hi ngoma
magoji mambirhi
yes kola nga na magoji mambirhi ana sa swi latsipaka ni lava mani ku mina
Abyala.
loko ni se min khomi
yeah
mina he DJ na Mr David loko ni ku xilo album ya munhu yi tiri kahle ni ngikombela na hi n'winyi loko u no ba album ya wena leyi nga humesa sweswiwani mara swi ni phusha ku ri ni bale yi nga hundza ni twa nga ri a wu tirhangi kahle
a wu tirhangi kahle
a wu tirhangi kahle ngopfu yona yi nga va yi ri kahle ne mara for the fact ya ku mina a bela hi leyi nga hundza leswi komba ku a wu nyikangi vuwena ngopfu ene leswi ma swi vula na mina mi swi tini ka mina because ku hume ngoma liya ya wawa liya a nga feature Black Myth it was a good song ku hume na liya ya a nga feature hi who's this girl man lexi nga different
Kanye yes
liya ya kuna I think imbilu if kuna mbilu kuna ntwa ku vava kuna vuya one
track 1
track 1 ivuya track 2 ntwa ku vava track 3 imbilu ndrevele ku yin song title ne
Yes.
kuna Mumba la it's a good song ne you right so andre shoku loko Mumba ave album uta hi komba ku ri those combos ato hi bayisana avo berini avo to kwecelana kumbexani vhele valawani va kumana andre shoku nta twa ngoma yi nga na Kanye na Mumba na Black Myth
or maybe maybe now the production side, because Logon Langsili, Mumba gets features. Most ka vanhu lava tlangaka munhu ku xikaza xa ma 2K u kuma ti-features ngopfu ka xikaza xa ma 2K then loko a endla music wa yena he still wanna stick to his production
to his line
to his line of which it's good to stick to your production line but then it is also not wrong ku ri loko u swi vona ku ri na hala wa dyela do something.
One or two songs.
One or two songs.
Because loko ni yingiseli album ya Mumba leya sweswi ne you can listen to album ya Mumba the first album leya ya ku Anti
and not this
yes you can listen to album ya Mumba leya ya number 2 leya inga bass swinene loko se Mumba ta sungula ku tiveka
ayola
yeah it's still the same production style one pieces of which I feel like Mumba una chance also to shine Kashgaza Shama 2K he's got a very chance
logo yingisela wawa you can tell it cannot be limited by beats
yes
or a sound
yes
it can expand
exactly
so leshishi mawana sticking to a sound or sticking to it's good for your signature
exactly
mara it works well ngopfu loko erina cult following
cause
loko mona nguta Solimakam it does not matter ku I humeserini I humese xikan'we na mani it does not matter ku mi nge yingiseli kuna vanhu lava va
that cult following I evenly mistake
so for him he's in a safe zone yago he can release anything it does not have to follow particular sound mara loko ikuma ku a wu na ti-fans ta wena phekuna leswi so mean ni fan ya G John na Sign Free na Black Myth mara ni fan ya G John ne so lava mbirhi va na to ti-fan va na fan base ka me mara I don't consume them daily kuna artist lane consume daily and as an artist when you are just plus one ya vanhu okay I listen to you and you have to test the sounds and when you find something that works you have to try it you will always find a way to put your signature in the sound ya leyi va ku yiri ku trending mara loko if ki la ku stick to your sound we'll listen since we know you already mara you won't get that much success we wish for you to have because Mumbai had a successful show ne after the album
beautiful
that was
but can we really credit the success of the event
based on album
album?
No, we can't.
No, we can't.
We can't.
So that side is building his brand. Kologo Mumba ao statabuya, ne? And that's beautiful. Mara when we come back to the sound, is the sound always popping now? How many times do you hear Mumba when you scroll on TikTok? How many times when you scroll on Facebook stories and stuff? And that's where you have to be. Even at that commercial success, and I also love all the time. Mara once a year, once in 2 years, yinga undeniable.
Bang amkurmun la angazanga nyika karwa kuinsala music wa we na mara lia was one of an choice. Ngene telling of Kamumba ne. Is kombogo kajalo Mumba obona episode lewane. A check swani ngesipend karola so ka album lia kur ai agnes leswi na is tiba ku yena we know he can angaenda so tlale sanga se endla la
he's a very good artist
moving on ina imangwanga messi na ina dokodela
Dr.
Dr.
Joshua.
Joe.
Joe Sherman
ya Dr. Joe ulawuli ngopfu yona man. I
Yeah,
don't
you
know.
na loko yo yita.
Na loko yo yita.
eh ke wala yaso
Dr. Joe had a great album.
Yeah,
He had a great album and a great song with Metro. So
Metro
Yeah,
yes
it was December was
yeah
popping.
December dia dis itiren
Because loko Milan Buku go at 31 when I drop track ya Dr. Joe. Pela sometimes that's how you see
kore ingoma itira njani
when I drop that track ya Dr. Joe ya mali the crowd
penguin
Mara ku va DJ swi kahle perform ngoma ta va.
tavan idama leswi swa vanhu mara va DJ mara
you are a DJ you are a DJ
La ku va DJ.
na me la va DJ ni como
Men boka.
DJ man
DJ Mdef. Men boka
ina DJ wo ni na DJ Mdeva
DJ Jojo
Verka Gaza.
DJ Mavona
Verka Gaza.
DJ wa
Verka Gaza ti DJ titsongo ku tele ti select.
te select
Wo select.
wo select mara
No, me man ramba nta
select mara so ba ku DJ gaze
bara toti selector ti tele but anyway
AI
la ku vulavula hi swona
hey
na Gab umezini
ya ke abcho mese EP
I know he's your friend mara nikombela
eh
nikombela we ba honest
so ningayisungulela ndlela leyo mata wona wasingendlela leyo batele ngoma la ngata I know no lawane itukuhleleni la itukuhleleni ayitangu no ewukuyela nhlekisa because I know he's your friend no mina I'm friends with 90% ya vanhu lava ni va vona ku lawani
swi ri fake friend.
and-
Unange mngani wa vanhu hinkwavo.
antivi kambe ni munhu la ku ri ni vulavula na vona vanhu lavani
Oh, mavativa.
timenimo anti ka timenimo yi vo mani Gap vulavula a hi hleleni album ya Gap
okay hi ku ya hi mina album ya Gap I can say the producer did his best
mtlangi Mpanyas
yeah the producer did his best
David yahleka
a ni swi tivi u hleka yini wa se heta ku vulavula
yeah
Okay.
yeah
producer yi tirhini
yeah
composition ya leka
jaleka ne
Yeah, yaleka.
kuleka compose
ya leka composition because loko ni yingiseli that album I feel like there are songs leti a nga tshama a ti yimbelela before
correct taranta ni manangwe
I feel like kuna tinghoma leti a nga tshama a ti yimbelela before info ta vuya ka Gaza you need to be creative
anu mshamba mimbele ngoma ya chayo la kutaveka ka kaza
ta vuya ka Gaza
Yeah.
you need to be creative
Too much.
your pen game ka Gaza
fani fana ink style yo
yeah if I but all in all shout out to
Mpanyas
yeah
Hayi ko me wrong.
very wrong
Me wrong. Album ya mani. Why
shout out Mpanyas ka
munhu ku nga ri n'winyi wa album.
guys hi nga pfaleli vanhu handle
ayi fanele ka vona
la ku pfalela Mpanyas handle
No, Mpanyas a hi mpfaleli handle.
Mpanyas
No, look, I sweswi a hi vulavuli hi ti-producer ni.
ivulavula
Kumbe ku na sweswi a hi vulavuli
I know
a ku ri na siku a hi vulavula hi ti-producer.
hi vulavula hi
Sweswi hi
album
vulavula se hi vulavula hi vinyi va ti-album.
album
So loko mi kha mi ku a producer did his best.
his best
Hi lava view ya n'wina ka
my view
Mara ku yile
hi hlamuserile swi ra mintwana
no vulani
No, mi nga hayi ka Mpanyas.
hayi ka Mpanyas
Okay.
let's not
Vula
like
ku ri
let's not
the
like
pen game is not strong.
vulavula
Yeah,
ntsena
la-
sukela ni Mpanyas
Why ya ka Mpanyas?
loko yi ngesa Mpanyas ne i nga ri yo ti belela nyana ko at least swi nga fiki hi ndlela yin'wana
okay
mi swi vulile
Okay, mina-
swi fiki hi ndlela yin'wana
twanani hi leswi album ya Gap
yeah
the production
Ah.
side I didn't look
Okay,
there the production side
Yeah.
perfect
perfect
but the composition
yeah yaleka
ya leka
so mi nga ngenisi Mpanyas
mina marito ma mina kusuka ka mina ku ya ka Gap a tiyisi xitsalo
okay
yeah
sayela Mpanyas
Okay. Se Mpanyas hi ta n'wi vona siku leri.
ngivolo ku vula the producer ta itang
A nga
the
nghenela.
producer
Mina I haven't listened to the
to the album
ani la ku hemba ni ku
yeah
Ayibi or
ya
yeah.
chaya kumbe chaya
i ku a ti-trend a ti tele and the munhu masiku hinkwawo etlela patwini akaya vo n'wi vona xiswati
loko a ve ya kuhlambeni
so ani nyika nkarhi, so it wouldn't be fair for me to say anything good or anything bad. No swi vona swi kha swi trend, and plus is someone who's always been criticized. So I don't know swi vona aka criticize, but I haven't given it time. Nta yi nyika nkarhi.
I criticize hi album kumbe criticize hi swa event.
No, ani munhu wa ku tshama kha criticize hi music wa yena. So a va ri ku n'wi criticize.
Khina story mara yi lava ku xivuriwa hi n'wina ni swi tiva
No man, me xitori xa ku a yi hlamuseli xitori.
wa DJ ne
Me a ni la ku rhumeteriwa mina na swi tiva leswi ni nga
tela swona nga cheliwi marito non'wini.
Ni nga cheliwi
mina album ya Gap ne ni yingiserile album ya Gap. Ni pick up something swi nga vula hi DJ ne ku Gap wa marimba ne. Most of the songs loko mi yingisela you can tell ku a continuation ko va na ku fananyana. It's different loko mi kuma ku kuna tlevulani ya Dr. Thomas Chauke, tlevulani yo sungula ku tlevulani hi loyi i mzalwana, and then ku na tlevulani yin'wana ne yi ku u jika ku zwitch a tlhelela patwini matsa ku ri ha va la tlevulani mara ya continue.
Okay, man, it were something ne. It's just that it's not verified. So verified, it never got disclaimed. I don't have the answers. But it seems like there was a guy like a
doctor.
No, Kalanga production.
Yeah.
Apfuna kutsala the artist.
Anga ri umshana anga hatsala.
Anga ha tirhi na team.
Okay.
So lori vala vito ra yena, mara someone came to me and say the reason old songs ta Gap wa marimba a ti ri dope and now
nga ku tarisa face
it's because this guy there's a guy that left. Noko ya hlupanyana loko yi nga ri na proof na TV ngopfu, mara that's what I had. But I will loko se ni ta ni nike nkarhi, I'll give you the review. Maybe va ta yi vona la ka channel ya me, or loko yi tlhe hi vuya siku rin'wana kwala, and I will talk about it.
Yeah, so mina in conclusion nga vula ku like loko ni yingisela Gap diman a ni swi tivi ku xava na sound ya xona kumbe line ya xona ne leyi nga receive hi ku a groundini a ni nga swi twisisi ku humelela yini, mara I feel like a ni nge fan ku chaya Mpanyas ne ku yimbelela Gap ne. So I think composition ya Gap yina side ra yona, mara a ri receive in that way a groundini loko se mi ta kota fika groundini. But this is so yeah, ni feel nga ri maybe album liya yi tirhi ku fanele ne tin'wana ti nga hundza leswi vanhu va
lexi hluphaku hi art i ku i art phela a ku na 100% ka art na swilo hinkwaswo swilo leswi hi swi vulavulaka i ku ya hi ku hina hi twisa ku yini, and ka ngoma yaliya hi nga ta fika hi ku ngoma leyi a yi chayi
kuna un'wana
bela ngopfu. So
loko mo ba next ta kwata
so art yi hlupha hi ku there's no 100%. Kuna vanhu lava vo draw realistic pictures i the artist. Kuna lava vo loko va teka picture ya me van draw ni ri cartoon i ni vona ku hi mina mara ni cartoon,
and kuna rasta
kuna rasta na yena is recognized. The recognition that he has, kuna artist totala atina yona, it means he's great.
Wena loko rasta xo ku draw xi ya humesa cat matla.
So you fika mhaka ya atina loko hi criticize yi fika yi hlupha kwalani ka ku a ku na blueprint ya ku loko hi ku ngoma yi perfect
loko
yi ri leswi yi ri na leswi hi ku na ngoma leyi yo ka yi nga far from perfect ya va hit.
Mata ku visa switsongo xa yini ku na lona nga tshama posta ne ka Facebook bari what's this girl, I think I desire mathebula ngitano yani leya a nga tsala ku mina tinsimu ta Rosa a ti ni beli, a ku tinsimu ta Rosa ti sound as swicele kumbe ku tiputa. So yi confirm leswi mi swi vulaka ku ri un'wana u ta ku Rosa wa tiva Rosa wena, mara
Yeah.
At least I communicate na yena.
And to me, that remains the best album. Lenga huma last year.
Mara yena
Mara kuna vanhu lava nga
Isi-
kaneta
yena-
mhaka yaleyo. So
Ora
mhaka ya
nga
art ya hlupha.
ya hlupha.
Ya hlupha and hi nge rhandzi swo fara. Hi nge rhandzi swo fara.
And then discover swin'wana loko hi leswi leswiwani ku ri and kumbe ku vanhu lava hi tekaka karhi ka vona va tshama hansi va cheka
A va hi va ya ti vona.
va ti vona
And sweswi hi swi vulaka ngo a va yi va ya ti vona. Munhu a nga tlha fika ka va penga. Hi ku mavo okay, it's just the three of us giving a negative review on one song. And then there's 100 others giving a positive review on the same song.
the same song.
So mkama loko mu famba ti vona ya why nfanele
Why in front of one because kuna vanhu va 100
Va ngo swi kahle.
and xin'wanyana vanhu problem is we are so generous. Keep going fana wa vanghena and kuma ka hole ku vanghena
loko va nghena ku ri a wu fikile le gate
I'll keep going. So being generous swi hela hi encourage munhu hambi
Swa
a nga
vava
ri-
ku vavisa munhu mbilwini.
Yeah.
and
Meni swi experience ngopfu hi ku ane vanhu lava ni dilaka na vona ngopfu a hi vanhu lava hi vulavulaka hi vona sweswi i vanhu lava va nga ka underground. Munhu i bini hi ku ya hi yehe i chayini hetile ni ku famba ncica.
Hey guys, enough about Gab. Enough question. Why blue ticker moods?
okay mina I'll tell you loko staka musi nikomela ku isungula I've been saying and I've been posting I've been commenting nile ka post there musi gifted 100% akuna xitsotsi akuna doubt demand xa tsala ngoma
Clean sheet.
loko mo twa ngoma leya khungulukani ne demand xa tsala ngoma ey xa tsala ngoma mara ni feel nga ku leswi endla ku musi a blutikiwa ne hi leswi a nga fixa xiswona ne
Yeah.
musi loko a fika u fike hi
Commercial. Sweswi Mr. David ayiswo.
i fike hi kuna xirilo kambe kuna yini
Liya yo sungula liya nga
xirilo xa mino wetale
Yo.
ya u fike hi xirilo ne even then loko a fika hi xirilo a bana leyin'wana yo hlamula xirilo mara i same vibe even then loko a base hi twa nga ri maybe musi famba hi vibe liya ivi xe ku munghana chomi hi twa ku swa ha ri ku beni from there musi a nga ha chayina munhu la nga chayina na tinsimu na tinharhu letiya
Okay.
musi a chayana na Hasbeats those three songs ti producer hi Hasbeats sure munhu ku Hasbeats na musi because musi
wa tlanga.
wa music
Musi wa tlanga.
yeah a ku ri a very good combination sounded different look an tama nitwa munhu a baku sound ya almost like xirilo loko ni yingiseli kahle loko ni yingiseli tingoma to tala a ti fika laha ko xirilo xa mina wedani ma vo so i nghena hi ndlela liya ne and then a decide ku la ku ta hi ndlela yin'wana endlela la nga hi langa mata ku hi liya yini hi liya a hi liya tingwadla hi liya
Ni komba swi veka kahle. U lata ku vavasati va hi zona.
no leswi swi vulaka va swi twisisa a hi liya yo yi ta post yi nge endli ti-rounds
Nge ka high rotation.
ka socials but this is because mina mi swa ni vava ne
na beat ne mayo hey chomi ya mina
Yes.
that thing it keeps you hooked
yeah
and then look mesa and then you hear something very chilled
swi
swi nyika a hi se n'wi kuma if I can put it like that mina I released the post ni vulavula hi yena the problem he wants to do too much and that's not how it goes you can rap a lot mo ntsuwisa ka rap ni yi tivaka ngopfu you can rap like Stogie T and Zakwe
yeah
their pen game is up there
Hey.
insane yeah
but they use old American beats ne and then ku va na vanhu lava vo fana va Big Zulu they put their culture in
In,
so it's hip hop mara it has the Zulu culture.
You must scandalize win.
Now we relate more with Big Zulu because we relate to the sound and the stories he tells. Story leswi a va ka kha swi swa hi khumba ku na tingoma ta vusiwana and then Arthur Stogiti with his pen game and say something leswi every 3 lines I have to open a dictionary to understand. You have to know history yele America yele Africa
you need to
understand mavito man'wanyani ya ti legend tin'wanyani ta history ya swilo swin'wanyana swo tiva na he
you need to research
so ela Big Zulu ava more successful than those ones with the pen game. So same thing with Moose. Music wa wu la ku yingiseriwa
too much.
a wu lavi ku a wu hlangani na clip and then you are hooked mavo so vana na risimu leri ra khungulukani ri humeni ni tsakisa hi intro liya ne ni post ni yingisela kan'we mara I'll say the truth right here ani twisisanga
until video
and then ku ya huma video
liya
and then okay ni kuma conversation liya. Then I revisited the song and now it's a hit.
Yeah, now
so,
it
kuna
makes
munhu loyi video liya nga yi kumanga.
So kuma ku sinera aringetsu cover
I think Moose tried to keep the standard loko a humesa ola na la.
You understand? Ola na la venda ne yeah sounda like le theater wa shirilo le theater.
But then checking the latest album
Ola angutiva la
venda angutiva ene
story xa vo tiva so loko a vulavula hi ku
anything ngwadla ne ka TikTok na la venda u xavilo matanda musi makango le so okay so money ya kakade le ka una problem la venda utuku musi umesi ngoma ya ola na la venda eva aya ka inbox ako wa imbelela mina na munhu wa mina lava swin'wana musi ka sorry anything you want aka we xala matanda ma 60 so ukuma matanda la venda ngoma leya
so we relate to the story as Gaza because van lava mbirhi avativa that song loko if fika hlangana yo you vulavula ola na lavender you wanna hear ku ne now when you bring a story of Romeo and Juliet you'll have to understand it
lava va henisi va kota
so mataku yini ita comment nda comments na comment ngwe ka mumba ne leswi nga swi ndla ka album ya yena ya ku ava ri one ibe a tlafambela yena yena I feel like loko Moose aba album ya yena ne a fane maybe a tlhelele ka House Beats ne lo a tlhela ka House Beats ba maybe 2 or 3 or ba produce 2 or 3 songs he that vibe leya ya angena yona but I don't think ataba blue tikwe this way and Moose ra nyenyela man ka Facebook ra rila tell us
that's why
I am aranyenyela
no I don't think you kunyenyela maybe I may be wrong receiving high treatment
ratiputa
no elesi you came loko tingoma leti nga huma sweswi a ku lo ranga to ivi leti nga huma khale ku va ku ri leti nga ku it would be cool because the album is successful but it's not as successful as
those
ones so letia if we treated him like a king when we hear those first couple of songs and then after our who he is and then now it has
lexi vava ku ne sorry kumngeno n'wena mata ku Moose xi humesi single ya xirilo ivi xi kuma gig palms xi kuma gig na 17 ingoma liya even then xi album ta 2 leyi nga na mapoto matihiti eka Moose matudu
lembe ximusi
ivi xi vele ya khungulukani ne at gig at tisona mara those singles ti nyiki ti gigs swa nbava
okay
swanbava nga le ku dendeni xigazeni misana
Ata dend. Malemba mafan.
Please.
Malemba ayibu lichirman.
Malemba mafan.
Hey guys, karwa no I see yani awtalang.
Phela ira
la ulango. Nikombela ku sweswi ne
lok angarela.
Ya lava
lok ibanjani.
Lava angara.
Tava ku gege chap.
Ay tekatekeni man.
lava hi angarhele na Bliss Boy u humesile ya chaya kumbe ayichayi
Eh? Ego gege.
Ego gege.
hey guys
Yeah,
hey guys na question
Son pan vitrero.
na question
Son pan vitrero.
na question
Koza ay.
na question Bliss Boy u humesile
Ne bela ngoma yeng.
mina kuna ngoma yayo wa
Ne bela soft life.
10 out of 10 ne ngikombe kuyikommentela 10 out of 10 10 out of 10 ayitava yiri hit if producer ayitiyisi xandla
Leswi men rhandza ku yo produce kumbe no rhandza
Ke
produce
mga producer la?
nyiko switch.
No, mara kumene album Bliss Boy. I don't know if mastering even a problem. Kuna ati
producer atitiyisangi swandla i swandla hi swona
Mara hinkwaswo music swi ya mastera hi free, so we can
anga mastering kwash.
Ah.
Anga mastering namboni nyana la.
Oh.
Anga mastering kwash.
I thought i mastera hinkwaswo mara mina I think it's one of the albums leti toka ti nga nyikiwangiki nkarhi.
just like 10 out of 10 that song is a hit but
Yeah.
because ayinyikiwangi chance album liya minge yi to 10 out of 10 out of 10
Ayinyikiwangi chance- ayinyikiwangi
mara
chance
mina to
njani?
be honest with you ka album ya Bliss Boy that's the only song leni yi rhandzaka
Kuna engaging hey.
I think I think I got a voice note la one.
No, there's no need.
Yeah, I got a
I'm
voice
Themba.
note. Hey, now Mr. Yeah, I mastering
Kuna engaging that's a hit to me. Kowaku, a good song is not always a hit, and a hit is not always
a good song. Yeah. I'm right.
Bangwan vano holo sengo flow no go Sister Bettina is not a good
It's
song.
not a good song.
But it's a hit.
But it's a hit.
it's a hit
Hey, but it's not a good song.
it's a hit
Masindale. Yeah, hey.
I jump in
It jump.
Flash Cortez
He had his
best ne
yeah, he did his best, and
did his best
I think he's still ka hip hop ya Matsonga since Kenais gave us an album
Yeah.
that is below his first album. Like the album is
When
good.
Mumba. Can
Yeah,
nice.
mara album ya Kenais
Yeah.
ya album ya Kenais laying out maswes.
yeah
It was
Itlula hi trap style.
itlula hi trap style yo sungula loko ni tani yingiserini. So him coming as a new guy, he gave us new sound and sound liya ai tivelala Lesotho ntsena. So we came to know it was a Tsonga guy behind it, and he delivered. Like the guy can rap, the guy is talented.
And in fun ne iphile anga ngomesela u te oshikhomzeni asindliwe leswa so kuba unga skip ne kota wana problem una a very challenge against himself
leswi nga ndliwa hi Rosa
na
thing swi nga ndliwa hi
senda Rose
But I like the response Rosa gave me. Loko ni kan vulavula na again stadium. Ku, hey, mfo ena pressure so siya ku, you cannot give us
album yotanya
anything lower than that. And then it was like, man, na pressure. It's long pressure. Ingar kami.
Right.
He understands kuri. Malembe
Menge fan.
And
Exactly.
if lembe le roa, anga hindi si standard le siya or anga fika ka standard le siya, it will be like, okay.
mara ka hina ti-fan
na
standard a xi lavi.
na ta ngolo ta ngunape kokwana ta holovo mina ka Flash Cortez ne ni rhandza ku khensa Flash Cortez ku va a ni tivisi Lebo 64 mona nga mali ya makwavo yi ni tsutsumese ka mfana na Lebo 64 yo
And va chava rituni nga va raha.
never yeah Flash Cortez chibi
xiri loko mi lava beef ni nga mi swekela
nga mswekela yona
okay enough about Flash Cortez
Lebo 64
let's jump ya G1 G1 is on his
mina ani nga ta veka na mavonelo ma G1 because
Mi cha ku tseketeriwa.
a ni cha ku tseketeriwa mata ku yini I vibe ya mina
Yeah,
production ya
leswi nga
G1
malata swona.
like anina nkarhi wa ku okay simla G1 and things lo ka chayisiwa hi munhu anina nkarhi wa ku let me sit down chayisa G1 ni yingisela so ani koti ku throw in the comments ka ngoma ni bela ngoma yin'we ka G1 makhahlelo ma tiva Mina makatele seni Congo maka.
Oh, hey.
Wanga malia?
Yeah.
Yo imbela kajiwa.
Okay.
And then
Mera
we're
jump.
on
Yeah, I jump in.
Hey.
Shine, shine.
Shine Shine.
Ah, J John.
Shine, shine. And still go, you go vula event yeah, or you go vula album yeah. But then,
I'll buy it like
yes.
Oh, hey, ala little
He had a very successful
Event.
event. Shout out to you, J. John.
And then the
did very well.
the album was good because it had a couple of good songs. Nokanga rishongo pui swin'wana la. So mara
Sompana na
Kuna leyo nga itenga chai.
ngome mga pala swilo ne.
No,
ngenele ngopfu lawa.
If any of you
Kama ku gap ngenele ngopfu.
it did not. On my side, it did not land the way I expected it to land. Ne? And then na kuva yiri based at home, like there was no external features. But when we come to think of it, J. John never had a hit album. He kuhuma tingoma from an album, 2 or 3 or 4. Leti ti trenda and ti trenda hi minkarhi yo hambana. So we can give him grace yaku. Okay, the album landed Shine Shine as singiling aranga. It's over 5,000, right? Or somewhere there. It's
500K.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So kuna risimu ra yena leri nga ka high rotation. And then kutafika nkarhi one song trend, kutafika nkarhi and then another song trend. But to me it did not land as much as like I had. Kumbe men nga wrong ne expect much more from him than what it was delivered.
Okay.
So mara when it comes to trending, it's a different case. Ku trenda nga kuma ku sweswi choose inga endlela so ku you huma iva an ordinary song and then it blows up. Maybe nako kusuka kwala kuna
ngoma ingata.
Kuna ngoma ingata pick up. Nhleketelela Fiona. Fiona man, Fiona. Ngoma liya yina xitori xa yo. Ta mi byela siku rin'wanyana.
Xa J John na Fiona.
Ta mi byela siku rin'wana why men ring.
Nakubasho ku marelate kumbe xani mula ku u tsalisa ka mbilwini na.
Bon. Twanani. Mina lava ku Mr. David ne. Ivaka food.
Yeah.
Ayivaki food.
Yeah.
Andahleni vaka.
Ayivaki food. And I will ask him this question.
Yeah.
Ndayivutisa.
Ile ka xigangu xa n'wina.
Ayihumisi.
And then
Mr. David. La ku mutisa ngoma ne. Ndzoko mi tingiselini na. From bottom up. Maloti ti mi yingiserini.
Bakudala.
Budget.
Kanana mi yingiserini.
Muketa na matore vale kanana.
Mi twini.
Yeah, it's just a good song. It's an average song.
Yingiselani matai ngoma leya njani ne? The message behind that. Mi yingisela mi nga yingiseleni mi twa ku u vulavula yini.
Vulavula yini. I dlaye huku ku lova munhu emugangeni.
Oh yeah.
Ni dlaye huku a inani
ku lova munhu
emugangeni.
Okay.
Ivi ya ka Vukula.
Vukula hi Vukula nga ri vulavula hi makula hi kona.
Vukula.
Yale va vulavula hi ku.
Vukula nse yingisela.
Mata Vukula yi njhani hi khosa ne? Ya bayisisa vanhu. Demand xi vula ku ri xi ri va va na hi tindzwana ne. Mini Vukula wena Doli. Kumela ku ndzwana mara ni Vukula wena.
Mara mini Vukula wena
Doli. And ku Vukula hi ndlela kahle ya ku xi ri mina la mina yi ta ku namarhela vuharani bya mina byi ta kufumeta like ni ndzwana yes mara ka wena I'll be very good.
Ndzwana ya kahle.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Yebo yes.
Yes, yeah, why, yes, man. Yes, yeah, bo.
Naku meeting selling na.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Kwala
Chongolo.
minga testa yin'wana. Teta
Yeah, teta mchongolo ayini bela ngopfu mataka wayinga bela ngopfu. Imagoro kuna today ne. Each have the same key. Each have the same product, same what? Same instrument. Same everything. Logo today ne. Ngena mchongolo. Akutitang chum ko tshitsa lyrics. So swi nga na ko ivei niveni ku hayi man la inda moya mlolo.
La ka mchongolo ne.
I'm saying
Belwa e party le di
ya wo thick thigh. Ya wo thick thigh abachi
Randa ti thick thigh. Ay makaya ko yi.
Mente la vela stitirtiti. La ka
Yi bombela ka ile Mikey.
Mara ne ni kombe kumjesu ngwa.
ile Mikey la kamera.
Oh ile Mikey.
Ni kombe kumjesu ngwa before Koza ya mahle. Koza inguranda ngo J John.
No.
Too much.
Mingaze muku no.
Kahle leswi John anga isoka Koza ne. Left side free mina nga isoka side free.
Twana ne DJ. Ay timhaka ta matamin hlamusela mhaka yini? Ay timhaka to randa J John. I timhaka ta creativity.
Yes.
That guy is so creative, ne?
Very creative.
And answers anwana munhu axigazeni lo anga creative. Pana misa luya.
Yeah.
When it comes to ka ku paketela marito. So fana na Ruza is one of J John's
Na Jimen chapaketa.
Jimen.
Ah chapaketela lisha.
Kuri is storytelling but at the same time iku paketela marito in such a way ya creative. Silo mo bona one night stand.
No, that song.
That one.
Yo proof.
John la asho info ngwanya la awe flexel awe komba like we kombi we ma la asho komba kwa like
La isitsalo leswi.
Yeah, so that's why
asho flex at that.
That's why loko ni mutisanga base the risimu na the beats na yini hinkwaswo ni muti base hi creativity uyingiselini na.
So today ne.
Yeah.
Na one night stand na Jigaza.
Yes.
Na Fiona.
Those are my standout songs.
They stand out.
Na mina
logo ni ngisela mina. Every then ngizolola lo mshini.
Hey! Kombela Hennessy.
So etinsimuleti
minfaka na ice mini pusa pig.
So etinsimuleti nihleketa ku
Tita pick up.
Mara ku ite aku decide munhu phela ku ya pick up yin'wana yo
Na kuna munhu un'wana wa pick up isangoma mga steke ehlokweni. Lekere.
leswi na matimba
Mona malo tititine vanhu va nga yiteki ehlokweni hey.
leswi na matimba.
Jonathan. Isu leswi ni nga swi tsala mina last nyanga.
Mina mngeniweni DJ. Tsala ko madele loko dilele ka mali.
Isu leswi ni nga swi tsala.
Yeah.
Ni tsali Fiona ne. Ni tsala one night stand.
Today mizali.
Today ani tsala.
Yami edit.
Yeah, ndani ya edit.
Me edit.
Wata today nranda the production.
Mata mina randa party ngwane ne. Dingeni na beat sunga so tsakisa ngopfu. Hayi va ri va sweka papa na va ka Gaza. Mo sweka vonanga ngari mo sweka matara.
Ay, nikomba ku vutisa. O vula mamisa
Va fana va ka Gaza.
Kuna ku director ka yena swi nge endleki.
No, that song ne logo engala ku ya hala na hala. It addressed a lot of people.
A lot.
It's not logo la ta iteka iyisa ka munhu wun'we.
Kita va na problem.
Yi ta va na problem.
And ita siya.
Kuna la vulavula ku hi vafana va ka Gaza, ne?
Yes.
Kuna la vulavuriwa ku hi swiluva, ne? And mhaka ya swiluva yi sukela laha ka ku Free was the one who was being credited. Kuri hi anga teka
Hip hop
ayi chela xigazi.
Ivi xiku hi mina man xikazi.
Se la akahle aku address Free. Ku address wa hina hi nga tsala ku
Hina vanyiki va swilo. Hina vanyiki va swilo va hina address wa.
Hina hi nga teka swilo swa yena.
Mara kuna la wisa ku addressa vo mani. La ka Chepisi. Byi fana na Chepisi byi nyanganya sweswi.
Loko ri
apela byi hele chukele.
Ni swi tsarile na sweswo.
Mi te yini?
Va sweka vafana va ka Gaza.
Va sweka vunanga va sweka matanda. Matanda ma 10 minutes.
Gaza mina.
Tsokolela swilo dama lo tsokolesa swa 2017
loko fika ku vafana va ka Gaza ivi munhu a kha ti vitana sweswo loko hi ta na yona hi fe
ya fita mara a hi shoko hi swona
and it's only fair ku hi swivula because hi volini clearly hi nga si hi tlimbona hi mari leyo hi ku mhaka ya swiluva a yi kongomisiwa ka hina hi mhaka ku hi swi nyike assignment free
Yes.
so why hi fight na ku vula timhaka ta ku matanda ma sweka hi maha hi ku ya hi
vafana va ka Gaza
leswi twisisaka swona ngoma liya
amara dotirhi va sweka vafana va ka Gaza
mara vo sweka vunanga
wa ro tanda
diri va sweka vunanga ro sweka matanda va tanda because
kosa ri lahli ngopfu
hambi u ri boiler ri lahlini hambi u ri sweka ri lahli
ende ra nandziha
petanda ne
se yi jika yi ku
ro tlave
fana na chippies
byi nyanganya sweswi
so
leswi la ku byi bend nkarhi wolowo 2 minutes
it might nga lava ku yi jikajika hi ku a beef
i beef ngoma leyi
that song is a beef
ngoma leyi beef ene ya matama ri ngoma leyi rhandza yini ne rhandza ku
i roasted beef
xinghenisi vafana va BMT ne kahle ngopfu man mata va ngheni kahle mata vukheta ri nghenisi ku yo vukheta mara vukheta mata ri nghenisi ku na swi tiva va yingisela ngoma ya
tiva
ni byele the first word ra vukheta ka ngoma liya
ni nga va ni nga yi khoma
mara ri te yini ri te I'm Steve. I'm Samit. Lo duku.
Watu heteleni va confused la ka ngoma liya ne.
Kuranga jujula.
Exactly.
Computer so.
Confused hi swo
Jujula na vukheta ne.
jujula na vukheta.
Kuranga jujula. Jujula la ko kama siri jujula unga salo puli get. Bawutelo sa gang. Mara John me yela man ijujula. So lako ai rena na mitsenga yinga tsetsiwang e vukheta lo. Mina na maseni baisa madan siboni kwi. Shin baisa ngoni siboni stage. Anu ga banchingina na mi penchingina na mi yeveruin ne yona swan ga Steve. Matabe hiba yola ba kuyine ba cause. Be hina ban ba shama ticket ku dura. Ibina ema stage ni ba live. I komba vanhu lava nga xaveki mathikiti mara va tshama va ku DSTV wa yi komba Chiefs ku ri ku na vanhu va nga tshamaka va nga xaveki mathikiti
no loko n'winyi wa event
a nga ri na flow
a nga ri na problem
Yes, why?
Hi ku na vanhu lava va nga rhambiwa va rhamberiwa ku ndla sweswo
ene yena hi rhambiwe tanihi mani Shangan gang gang lexiwa Shangan gang
Hi tshame ngopfu ka J John.
okay mara anu vutisa man review anga
ai la ku switwe ai la ku
no mina okay my comment mina timhaka ta ku swi vuya ka mumba dilo ku vuyisa namuntlha ne xitlhavi ne
di rhandza ngopfu
no xitlhavi ne yini bela ku tlula ku tlangala youth so hi ku ya mina J John itirini mara anga tirangi leswi ani swihleketisi swona xitlhavi he was very much creative.
I think the album this so cause kuna album leyi lendaku yo and then we expect you to keep the standard n'wana wa matevula ku duma ye
twanana
mani va vitaniwa hi n'wana wa matevula ku man so mfika mkuma ku even if the project is good or not the second one venge vitani mutswari wangu va ku mana second born mana first born all the
time David mata ku yini kuna album leya ya mafela ndleleni dibi mafela ndleleni ne diba hihlavi dibeka mafela ndleleni side yiba leswi ndibe ngala yuda mara ha tlhela ka vodzinganenge na vo yingwe na vo ku biha
let's wait and see ku ri ta pick up
there's one thing ntshama ku ni kha ni xi vula and then na swi tiva ku u ta comment
ene majiranda J John na n'wena no la ku tivisa tiko
too much na n'wi favor misa luya
yeah na mina n'wi favor ngodi man
J John drop Shine
hey ina problem na this one hey
he dropped Shine few weeks down the line
drop album
and van ngoma leyi va yi rhandza ngopfu hi Shine
mina nhleketa ngo
and Shine icon then
then ka album
I think it was planned
yes it was planned
why
yes
nhleketa I plan ku ka gig liyane
leswi ni nga vula solo ku
that song
yona vele
man
that song idea gig
mari lava ku mavula kwalano no mo ni nga mavula
yes
ku ngoma liya ne
gig.
Yeah.
And look.
Na mina swa lo nhlata mo bata ati mane ni ti poster hi mo ngoma liya.
By the way, fully car wash misa lo ine. Me support kambe ri le kwini.
Lotus Gardens ne a phase 1 after post office, yeah.
Sure.
Ti mo bata ba shine. Wanga ma shine.
Ai yenen mo.
Nkomba ku yihetisa. Leswi na tabula swona. If J John alo chela album, I mean prekeli yaka album, I feel like
Ai ta inga bang na same momentum.
I ain't bang na same momentum. Maybe I taba pick up ini ku tlula leswi nga pick up isa sweswo.
Basta ku queen ane swi tikumela yini ka xikarhi ka J John na Veekat in terms of tinsimu ne. Album J John ai tava yi ri the best album ne loko a yi ri na Kimora yi ri na Tshungula
Na shine.
No, mara maybe mavonelo ya
ane swi
mina.
tiva tirhisisa ku yini
The album, the album ti tumbeta
kunyela mi nyiki yini mara
the album
tumbeta tingoma
tumbeta ti hit.
tumbeta ti hit
Hiku album etafika eteka ngoma leyi nga ta fika yi trenda ka TikTok and then we forget about the rest of the songs. No ivoyamisa la yi ve ivoyamela ka Gmail. Ka that project kuna kokwana. Ne? Salelo leriya ri nga
that's my
la.
favorite song
Rifu ngoma.
kuva mani twang
Vana nga va ta va ri kona la loko va nga cinani.
yo ngoma liya ne
Lowa matevula ta va ri na movha.
yo
N'wanangi kanganyise hi xinari. So that's poetry. That poetry is on another level.
that song
Mara, is it the song that is trending the
it's
most?
not ku tena na Juluka
No.
and vanhu
And Juluka is good.
basa ku
It's a good song.
avatamba maka ta ku vele ku tirheni
Hey, Juluka is a good song. It
Juluka.
deserves the recognition. So
Kokwani.
I think the album, in some instances,
ti tumbeta ti hit
itumbeta ti hit hi mhaka ya ku hit leyi yi twaku yi kha yi trenda ka social media. Mara loko kokwana ai lo huma yi ri yoxe.
Yo,
I think I
tava-
khoma momentum
yes.
liya
ya
ya
mana vana na
Mana.
Mingeza mea kule ne, mingeza wa mgene ka comment. Gimora inga ria J John. Ai
Ai
ya
de-
Veekat.
yes no mina
Ai nga ta fita ku va ka leswi nda ku ndisa ku ai nga ta fita ku va ka
Ka album.
ya J John.
no mina mata because nte anti ku vasala va tirha njhani because na swi tiva ku ri like mana a big partnership tinsimu matsalana and everything so I'm thinking ku loko ngoma leya ya Gimora a wu yi nyika J John na tshungula va yi nyika J John
Mara se Veekat ya
The
sala na
Veekat
yini?
asala va na
ma yi ta mafurha
Ai ya sala na yini?
Veekat asala na yini?
na mafurha
Hayi khona.
na zala
Then we go back there.
Nazala.
We go back there. Sorry.
Na hi swa mfanelo leswi
Hey,
swa mfanelo
ngavumila, hey.
Sorry.
ma yi ta mafurha mara
Alright. Barish londa xivava n'wai. Bon, we go back there. Sweswi u swi vulaka.
Pero ndla yini?
endla swi swin'wana.
zana nga dumangi ma swi mara
nga ta duma
Then we go back there. Loko vo teka Gimora va yi chela ka album yaliya.
ya Veekat
Ya Veekat.
ya ta yi chapa
Album ya Veekat a yi ta va yi ri very
if-
successful.
mara ivi yi fika yi fingineteka because
hayi Gimora yi nga ta fingineteka
no mi nge swi voni ku va swi endlisangi swona okay
But that's fine, ne?
a hi languteni ti-successful musicians ne i mani a nga humesa single yi nga khomi ndzilo handle ka
Single.
sign free
a yi khome yi nga khome ndzilo singile sign free
liya ya Mobam Dlaya.
Mobam Dlaya
Yeah.
hayi
Mara
a
hi xitalo-
ya
hi xitalo.
tingwahla
mara hi xitalo
Ya tingwahla.
ti-single hi mhaka ku you did not give us options hi ta yingisela mara loko u humesa 10 songs leri nga ta fika leker a decide ku cina ro daza hinkwayo yi ta yi kha yi cina ro mavo and then we forget about the rest ku na tingoma to tala yo fana ya leyi ni yi vulaka ya kokwani ku na munhu a nga yi tiveki to tala
vona nga mana kokwani loko a yi tivi ne famba yi yingisela hi timhaka ta ku u yingisela ku dimani u ri yini G-man hi vipe hi le ka yesu yesi
Yes. Ha ri ka G-man ne. Na ku katsakanya sweswi. Na ku katsakanya G-man na lekere. Ha ri ka G-man.
Hi va kulukumba ngo lo mahlela music ne ri nga za rixa.
Ha heta sweswi.
Sweswi i rini?
hi ta yi nga ri khale
Ta heta nga ri khale.
ku sele nani la ku sele tilayini ta
It's just a question.
ta 7
It's just a question.
What's an question hi pala?
Oh, of course.
because pe mo famba mi xa tikhamera sa hi bus stop
U ta bus stop makhadi ma ri kwini?
Siani.
hete 28 gig hinkwayo
Wasokumli deka because
Because I'm not dealing with
no
that.
bola
comment on got comments because I'm maybe tom jaina na.
Just a question, ni boni Gmail already ulok promoting kat ngoma tintsha.
Nkwatini.
Leger u drop track yintshwa.
Nkwatini.
Want to see? To me, I feel like more especially okay, leger una like rae.
Mara nkwatini.
Yes.
Na matimba ma
Na matimba
leswiya.
But
Mazemba
let's talk about
ntakuchelela.
G-Man. G-Man had a great album. One piece is he had a great album.
G-Man and Rain Man.
Jimin and Rain. Hey,
Kita ba life ingwe
skip
So G-Man and Raymond, what Raymond?
Rainman Kepelot. And I said it's sama na sipo itachachiwa zarisha.
They had a great album. They had a great song playing one of song of the year competitors.
I mean make
Yes.
a song of the year.
Mantwisisane. But now he's busy promoting new music. Whereas there's a song got that album playing it pick up in.
Hey, I haven't tapped in with his socials, so
And anti-social the mom.
anike commenting ovukako.
He's busy promoting new music. Whereas kuna track ya Malumeju.
Malmeji
Pick
loka
up
na
in.
manavana. Manavana payari kudlenka from number.
Yeah, the Mina, I feel like as an artist,
No matter this guy is good.
loko wa ha ri na nkarhi
Na señorita.
loko wa ha ri na nkarhi wa ku u dyela
Jail.
hi album dyela before u disturba the momentum or before u disturba the trend or the rotation leyi nga kona.
A ni la ku mi kaneta ni mi right leswi mi swi vulaka. Artist loko yi dropa new music we forget about
Exactly.
mara nkarhi wun'wanyani kuna nyanyu ya le studio. That's the reason mi kuma ku hambi va maphorisa va life va ri studio. So creating is like it's more like giving birth, ne?
Loko nyimbo nyimbini.
Loko nyimba nyimba yi fane yi vona hi vanhu hinkwavo. So loko i endla new music you feel like
You
want people to know. Kuri,
I'll-
I'm defending him kaku why he's doing that and I haven't checked his socials yet. Mara swi ta swi suka kaku hey wona va twisana leyiwa mama ni khoma
Loko se mta swoka fanga ithusa.
so mara yela manager yi fanela ku yi nghenelela kokwalani ka ku a ku vi na program.
Yes.
That's how J. Cole are successful. Fall Off, it was
Fall Off.
prepared long ago. So I go in a program go info. Lembele rita take 5 ya the feature. Eta umesa EP yingwe. Eta umesa 3 ya the single. Ne? Eta advertiser sona. Not kuri every time mingena studio. It should be out there.
Exactly.
Ila so ivela na tingoma sungula ko we ba snippet even kusparka idea ne ba hiti ngwanyani ya totally different mara
Mara idea leyo.
Big
idea I took it from you. So
Eh laka na delta stramen.
so mara yena I think afana tisa ka content creation because akunandlela yin'wana yo advertiser handle ka
content,
create
yeah.
content.
And demand is anti-social. Mata xingari na phone. Mata xingari na social media. Jimmy xingari na social media. Xina mhaka na social. A hi munhu wa social media.
That's where management and brand
Yi fane yi-
management comes in.
That's why no kumta I finish cancer in man.
That's where yeah.
And that Rain Man is no problem.
No problem.
Okay.
No, but
So me na.
but Agur Magayago, it was not clear. We don't really have a problem. He's my guy. Agur Nago, people, it was not clear what's happening because they were both on the
cover.
And
And
on the song.
At some point.
It was more like when you look at it from a distance, not knowing what's going on, it's more like he's being taken advantage of. And then when we get to explain it, he wanted to do an album like Leger. And then G-Man was like, let me be the main artist of your project. So the project, I find Rain Man and many other artists. Mara Magago, Jimen said, okay, Mina, I would like to carry this, and they happen to have a good relationship.
Yeah, and Keza Rain Man wanga alang.
Yeah, Yegwanga Alang, he did well because
a great.
Okay. Men komon nga comment Jimen I magatok aning selo kumbe njane. Jimen is everything music. He's intelligent.
He's an artist.
He's intelligent, that guy.
He's an artist.
Yeah, and men kombe ko anga teaching offline ya yena ikahle man.
And unique.
And unique anga teaching offline ya yena anga lahlekela.
Umuntu ungo wako
fana na Musa.
A rapper fast gazeni anga atwala. Eku rapper fast gazeni.
Maita kutanyanganya.
Kutanyanganya.
Kuna ngwanda wala kumbacha mate enesi ne. Hey. Did rap kahle ngofla.
Okay. The guy has a talent.
Okay, now Leger did the same thing. Of which Leger?
Shinli Leger.
Leger did the same thing. He dropped a song. Karna.
Yeah, zanu kun kwati.
Karna Shiloin le.
Iranda ekoza. Ngomalia.
Shiloin ne.
Le ithali sweswe.
Ito dingamzela yo.
Ekoza kama irin line usungula.
Kambe tangwendla ene ite 14 tangwendla njani boy.
Mazimba ntakuchelela.
Shiwitsi takukerela. Leger did the same thing.
Tangwendla njani ite 14.
Because imanyana. Leger did the same thing, ne?
Amadama no creative.
Koza ya dirada. Koza ne ati beleza mtata Leger data mtawo Shiloin ne. Nabo
Yila kutwa voice ya Leger.
Yilabo
No. Koza yo inganda kunranda Shiloin.
Ma aitira randa two songs at Leger top ay kwat. Iranda era long ngana le dia kan Marima Kashmir. Kamere ndero songo ara ngana Kashmir. Lero wapiwa. Wabiwa. Iranda wabiwa na mazimba ndakuchelela.
Na wabiwa koza yo inganda kunranda wabiwa.
Na mina sasa yilo kunfostelen kama zimba ndakuchelela sasa.
Cause yi dyela nkarhi yi lata
Ita igungula. Ene naswa pe. Ene sasa yele pe ilakutwa ko mina kutwa akurin song of the ya ngwena ka.
Okay, I women ka Leger. I ngene ka song of the.
Song of the like okay, I know song of the recall rengawa kon.
Kamngana kuna song of the
Kamngano ne.
Yimini yakamngano nene.
Ashikazeni.
Leswi ngandlisa so.
Ashikazeni ingoma lengwe like that was your song. Amboni ngoma leyi ingatlulwa yona lembe hinkwaro yatika lewa
ya hlupa get December hinkwayo
yeah December hinkwayo
loko ku lembe hinkwaro sungula ka January and mukuma ku
no okay
those songs are not contesting ka makale mara
December hinkwayo mara mina ngaw ya tsavula simra ngoma ita July uku hambe ba bini
manabana uye kwini had the longest run trending like natitwa letin'wanyana mara manabana uye kwini yi hume a while ago yi trended that time and then loko ku humeseteriwa hi November na December it did not die out it trended night 31 it was trending swati 31 we cannot have a common ground ku n'wana tlanga leya alayo mara mina manabana uye kwini if it was me who has to give the cup kuri this is song of the year kuya hi leswi meni kuya hi trend that one is the one mara leyi nga fika yi pick up or you pulumu
antatlamala mingayivuli antatlamala mingayivuli
mara leyi nga fika yi ku pulumuku hele ka xigangu xa mina
antatlamala ngayivuli ya irhandza
no mele xi ni vula ku xona ni
malume khale
that was fun that was good ne and it was enjoyable
yeah
I myself I wouldn't credit the creativity of the song.
That's what I mean.
Yeah, there's
that's what I mean.
yeah, I
I'm
think
single logo comment ka post ya mina.
no, marriage gang shopping nge
Mata gwai hi mako me an lo tsala ne mara ka nga tlhokovetsele. Mata problem mina yini? Loko ma snippet ne papala ka yimbelela. And show loko secondary simu ne. Kutandeka swin'wana swo like
since again mara so chavis.
No, like creative. You out of this world.
Yeah. Mara songs like that astalang kuri e shoka creativity. It's like the message or the vibe.
Mata mantong ka ndla kain. Go itaga no tela combination ka ngtlamina ne. And then ita tibati magato. Why you prefer ka kangshana than le
ka sad
an tleke to kuita revolver.
So I was like ngari ita explain ngoma le tava na message.
Ita bulanyana ko why le kaya le why I'm not la kumbi ngata kumbi mara
so fana na sweswi nanda ku fefera I explain ku
those songs are vibe songs and vibe songs tingafika ku tima umesa album
atina ku tima
yo ko tiva ku umesa album yangozi
ngoma le engar vibe song ngatima ne karni kombela choose ya ingisela ya twala ku yirini mara yihle fika itima.
Yeah, it had the vibes and the
creativity
behind it.
Kangoma ya G-Man ufana cancer maponyana. She promote.
Hey, ibangolo imbele maponyana.
She promoting ngoma
and imbele so
yeah,
but the promotion side we promote
maponyana.
Utiringo.
Yeah, I mean, okay, so in some of the young women talk about
another one this as okay, mina situation ya mina elene as nukuzere nashiyimo as nukuzere nokuri iti 31 ani rutangeni antlanga ndawini yin'wana ka minga va rele Hlamalani that place ne indawu liya ya ku they respect song of the year one pieces loko ufika utlanga ungatlangi swona.
Okay, I have a question before kwala ngabula kona kuba respect song of the year ne it 31 kula kubathulo like song of the year mbam comes to
you must be sure of your stuff.
Also when I'm choose akore sim
yes
le mfana mega sure gore
maba
satisfy
yes
or maba satisfy
mfana mega sure
gore you choose the one
choose their best le swa ku loko tiku 12 o'clock
loko mo gore kwa
loko gore kwa va vela va ri happy ku fakwa cricket and all that.
Yeah.
I had a problem.
I
had a problem.
Yeah.
Like a serious problem. There were 4 songs
to choose from.
Agora Shine.
Yeah.
Shigangu Shami.
Yeah.
Manavana. Na Mbuyangwa.
Yeah.
So minanda ku atri thai ndlela yale. Because you know what I did. Kore ntsakisa vanhu lava avari laya. This is what I did. You know that you see that last part ya Shine. I think it's 36 seconds, something like that.
Hey, mata
life ga we stop Shine.
Kuna creativity ngwan la
me Shine.
I mara lago
I know the creativity.
No,
yes. I know the creativity.
I'm more diet fan.
Yeah, John.
No, that was good. No bulago. Me mago eta ku inika sound ngoyani ngandla
man
Veekat I ngob na me jela that's why ngoba
diet fan yeah.
You are going for 2 hours.
So sorry, explain. So this is what I did. I played the 30-second part, that last part. Yeah, 12 o'clock. I started there.
Kubangamati
cricket. After that part, loku yela. Ni dropa Shigangu Shamin. Vapeng. From Shigangu Shamin. Baka Manavana. From Manavana and faka Mbuyangwa. That's how I managed to kurvava van lava tsaking. So to me, the song of the year atri Thai. Those 4 songs. Ndakatri Thai in Lele. Yeah.
Then
song of the main is in talk about song of the year. I got Manao no ye queen. Yeah, I acknowledge Sotala Manao no ye queen, song of the year.
Okay, and then patile mara senkarhi wu fambi
Ngaku hi khumbile.
I continue from here loko ya mahlweni.
kusuka lani.
Yeah, I continue from Tsonga rap revived by Mtimbani demonstrating. I love it.
Yeah, I think that was good, Mina, coming from the hip hop side, and I think the momentum should not stop. I think xin'wana xi vavisa is the passing of the Michaels, mara avavuyi.
Yeah,
avavuyi. Mtimbani na open mic, anyone can get a beat from him and go there. She pre-recorded. There's no need ya kuchava kwentafika ndla mistake. And then ukuma beat 2 weeks before. Upractice and then kulokuya record then mga taking nkarhi. And then na mina this side I will start something similar to that. Na hlanganisa swilo. I rapping. Lokurku you can rap.
I can rap, man. I can rap. Okay, guys, case ngopfu ne kuva mi joinini ka episode 4 ya EVUNANGENI ni khome The Rocker ni khome Mr David. Xitisa lexiwani hi nominate win as the best content creator ka ti Mzansi Arts Art and Media Awards. So to vote for Shangan Gang as best content creator, me SMS Mama 935 eka 404. Ndrevena baretana barela ekosala asla baka basic but
and between the number and mama kufana kuba space in between.
Batsala bakosala.
Because
Ngaribali. Okay. Goro.